Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to Wi-Fi Sheep right here on YouTube with me, Tom, and a rather impromptu channel update. First of all, can I just take this opportunity to yet again welcome all the brand new subscribers that have joined us through August and into September right here on the channel. And also a huge welcome and thank you to those awesome people out there that back me on Patreon. It is tough out there in the YouTube world, especially when you're a small independent creator like myself. So those of you that go that extra mile, not only subscribe, but also join me on Patreon and throw a couple of dollars my way. It really helps run this channel. So once again, a huge, huge thank you. If you want to join, you can find out more information on patreon.com/Wi-Fi Sheep. So we've just done Preston Make Fest, which was a great success. I really enjoyed the event, and I honestly thought it was going to be the only event of this year. It was running as a trial post-COVID exhibition. I took Tiny Basic Computers along, and some of you actually came and said hi, which was fantastic. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to come and visit. I really hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, there's some really, really cool stuff. I particularly loved the R2-D2. They had a full-size working R2-D2. What was really funny is after the event, because there was no vehicle access for the venue, we had to load everything in crates and then lug it basically to the car park, which at Preston was on top of the city bus station. And there was nothing more funnier than watching the public's reaction when a full-size R2-D2 was rolling up the street to literally drive itself back from the venue to the van in the car park. So yeah, it was a really great day. I really enjoyed it. And I honestly thought that was it, and that would be the show for this year. Then all of a sudden, we have a complete and full exhibition schedule for the remainder of 2021. Take a look. So coming up is the return of Stafford Raspberry Pi Jam, and I'm going to be there on Tuesday the 14th of September. Then a real surprise, which we'll get to in a moment, the return of the Retro Computing Festival for 2021. The last one was held post-COVID in 2019, and that's at the Centre for Computing History in Cambridge, England, running on Saturday the 9th and Sunday the 10th of October 2021. Then two other Stafford Pi Jam events happening on the 12th of October, so literally 2 days after the Retro Computing Festival, and Stafford Pi Jam then runs again on the 9th of November. For full details and for more information including links, they're in the description to this video, or you can visit events.wifisheep.co.uk, and I will have all the latest event information and news right there on the website. So we'll just start with Stafford Raspberry Pi Jam. This is an event that I have supported and gone to ever since its inception a few years ago now. It's a really kind of informal laid-back event. It happens at Stafford Library, which is in the centre of Stafford, which is North Midlands, central England. And it's a very informal event. Sometimes there's a formal presentation, but other times it's just people randomly showing up, all different ages, with Raspberry Pis or other things they've been doing, and we'll just have a get together and a chat. It's a really, really nice, relaxed atmosphere. I'm really looking forward to supporting the event and being back there again. And the great thing is it's free. The only snag is due to the COVID restrictions, which is due to the library and their rules, tickets are very limited, so you do need a ticket and you do need to book a place. Again, details are all on our website, events.wifisheep.co.uk, or in the description to this video. So the big news is the return and the surprise return of the Retro Computing Festival, happening in Cambridge at the Centre for Computing History on October the 9th and 10th, that is the weekend. This event is probably one of the pinnacle retro computing events here in the UK. It is well worth, if you can, getting yourself down to Cambridge for the event. I thoroughly enjoyed exhibiting in the previous years I have been there. It's also a fantastic opportunity to yet again meet you, and I've met so many of you that have actually come to the event to say hi and look at what we've actually got there as exhibit content. So as well as the museum's own content, which is fantastic in its own right, we've also got exhibitors such as David Williams, Binary Dinosaurs, Here Be Dragons, and the Vintage Computer Club, and many, many more. Now, I intend to bring tiny basic computers, and I also intend to bring a Raspberry Pi 400 running RISC-OS Direct. So my theme is going to be modern retro. So it's all going to be new hardware, but running retro-themed exhibits such as the basic and, of course, RISC-OS. So that does it for this brief channel update. Again, lots of shows happening, so really hoping I can meet more of you throughout the rest of 2021. If you haven't done so already, please do consider liking and subscribing to us right here on Wi-Fi Sheep. And for more information about the general goings on, you can follow me on Twitter. It's at Wi-Fi Sheep on Twitter. That's at Wi-Fi Sheep on Twitter. And if you want to be super cool and super generous, you can access additional content and resources by joining our Patreon. It's patreon.com/Wi-Fi Sheep. But as always, thank you so much for your company. Thanks for watching, and I will see you real soon right here on the channel. Until next time, bye for now.